Hi there. Okay, so today, let's imagine that you go into an interview and you're asked to basically reverse an integer. See, that's an easy question. This, I mean, that's a chance that that's a possible question, and your goal is to actually show the steps, not just write the code and explain it. So basically, here I'm going to show you how to reverse an int. Either it's positive or it's negative. So before delving into code, I'm going to write out steps of how I am going to approach this code. So first, let me enlarge my screen so you can see my codes. Make it a little bigger. Okay, make sure it's too big. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is this. I am going to, let's see. So we're giving it int, right? So first thing I want to do is I'm going to convert it to a string. Number one, convert to a string. Number two, I'm going to so one after we convert it to a string, the next thing I can do is I can turn it into an array. I can turn it into an array. Turn into array and then use the reverse method. Reverse method. Then back to string and then back to int. Simple 5-step process. Let's try this. So now let us code this algorithm. So I'm going to write a self-calling function. Those of you who don't know what a self-calling function is, I'm going to show you. I didn't do that. No, it's not needed. That was my time. Let's do a basic thing. I'll save that for a different video. Const call it reverse int equals mm, let's say n number whatever n. So that's the number that we take in. So number is the input. Now the first thing is convert to string. So we can say number to string. The next thing, turn it into an array. To turn something into an array, you split it. That's just JavaScript for you. Then reverse the method. Reverse. Then back to string. Join. And then finally back to int. Put the whole thing as an integer. Parse int. That's definitely that. And then, you know what, rather than returning this, let's just print it to the screen. I think it's just easier that way. So let's just print it to the screen. Console.log. Okay, one liner. This is beautiful. So you show the interviewer, you know how to write algorithms, and then impress them by doing it all in one line. Now, before we get too excited, let's see this first. So let's try, what numbers do we have? 51. Okay, let's see. Node test. Okay, 51 works. It gives you 15. Take a look at it. Let me clear this. Show you again. So I enlarged it a little bit. Node test. Okay, 51 goes. Let's do 50. If you reverse 50, it should give you 5. Right? 0, 5. 50 should give you 5. 50 should reverse to 0, 5, which is 5. Beautiful. If you reverse 0, 5, it should still give you 5. And if you reverse, let's say 2, it will give you 2. Okay, So it's working, but we are not finished. There's still something about this that it's not right. Okay, so let's see. We know that. Let's try a negative number. Negative 22, 23. So this, if you do negative 20, let's see. Let's choose negative 9. Negative 90 should give you negative 9, right? So negative 90 should give you negative 9. Let's see this. Nope, it gives me 9. So obviously that doesn't work. So part of the reason is that there is no condition here that is basically separating whether the number is positive or is negative. So I mean, one way of doing it is, I mean, there's multiple ways of doing it. You can use the JavaScript library, it's up to you. But one quick and easy way is just a simple if-else statement, honestly. Um, or you can do such uh, if number is negative. Now, when something is negative, is less than 0, obviously. And if number is less than 0, so I'm doing a ternary if-else statement. Print that, else. Well, let's see all of this works. Negative 1 times that. So basically I'm saying if, take a look at this, if the number is negative, let me bring this here so you can clean, you can see what I'm doing. This is a ternary if else statement. If the number is negative, print it with negative 1 times the output. Simple. And if it is not negative, you print the regular thing that we had. So let's see. Negative 9. Beautiful. So negative 9 gives you negative 9. So let's do negative 15. Negative 15 should give you negative 51. 15. Beautiful. Works. And that's it. Leave comments. If you enjoyed my video, please like it, share it. Thank you.